Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Vlogmas day 13. Let me check. Is it the 13th? I made it to the 13th. Don't mind my hairy underarms. That's why we're here, because we are about to wax my underarms, baby. It's been a minute since I did it, obviously, because they're hella hairy. They're hella hairy, but we're about to jump into it and get this done. So I'm going to use some alcohol because you got to wipe your underarms off before applying wax, and then you're going to need some powder too, any type of powder. If you don't even have powder, you can use cornstarch. You just want the powder to absorb the sweat, because you are definitely going to sweat when you ripping this off, because it gets hot, like, because it's nerve-wracking. What else? Yeah, let's just hop into it. I did switch my hair up, y'all. I was tired of that wig. It was time for a change for a second. So yeah, let's get into this waxing. I'm kind of like prolonging it because I am not ready for the pain. Shit hurts. All right, let's get started, y'all. So I'm gonna need you a little, cotton ball and some alcohol. And wear some shirt, like a shirt you don't care about, because I mean, why get wax on your favorite shirt? So I'm gonna start on this underarm since it's closer to the camera. I'm hairy, don't judge me. The thing is, this is a good watch video, because you can actually see it, and it's gonna be bald headed in a minute. So just continue to watch. So you're just gonna just clean your underarms with alcohol. Let it air dry. And I'm using this wax. If you have coarse hair, it works really well. It really grips it, and you get the hair, and it does what it needs to do. Now you're gonna get your powder, and you're gonna place it underneath your underarms, like get it everywhere. So before you wax, you're always gonna look at your underarm, and you're gonna see the direction the hair grows. So my hair grows down. So you're gonna pull the wax down when you place it on there, and you're gonna rip the opposite way. So if your hair was growing up, you'll put the wax up, and then you'll rip it from the top. Boom. And this is hard wax, so you don't use paper or anything like that. You just wait until it dries, and you're gonna rip it off. It sounds painful, because it is. It is painful being a woman. While this dries, I'm about to watch some YouTube videos. And right now I'm watching Kiera. Hey girl. A mind game. You have to mentally prepare yourself for it, 'cause shit hurt. Okay. I'm ready, I think. Oh, Lord. Okay. Oh, fuck. I don't know if I can do it. It's been a minute. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay. The sweat is sweating. Okay, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh, OMG, bro. OMG. Okay, I can do it. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, feel every fucking rip. 1, 2. Oh, that's a lot of hair. That's a lot of hair, if y'all can see it. But can y'all see the difference? Like, seriously. Let me go close. Like, can you see the difference? I have been my own waxer since the pandemic hit, because my waxer she shut down, and then she was just like, she won't open until there's a vaccine, and now there's a vaccine, but I haven't heard anything from her. But I'm actually getting used to doing everything on my own. Like, I'm saving a lot of money doing this shit by myself. And it ain't that hard. It's just hella painful. Like that first rip hurts. Okay? Okay, so we about to do the other side of this. Okay, so it shouldn't be that bad no more. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that wasn't that bad. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, fuck. Okay. Whew, whew. Oh my gosh. Okay, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh my gosh. Okay. You can fucking hear ripping. Can you imagine if I couldn't rip it off and I had to walk around like this, or figure out a way to take the wax off my skin without ripping it off? This hurts. Sorry. Okay, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, fuck. Yeah, that's a lot of hair. So before, what the fuck, right? After. Like, but I'm about to do this one off camera. There's no need to rewatch me wax my underarms again. It's the same shit. So if you made it to this part of the video, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and to thumbs this video up and share, leave a comment, yada yada yada, all that. Don't forget to do it. But again, thank you guys so much for the support, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Wish me good luck on this arm though.